guys, so today I am going to be playing with the Morphe 35B palette. So let me open it. So just this nice colorful palette, and I'm not going to be talking in this video because I don't know what I'm doing. It's just like me playing around with the colors, messing with the colors, and trying to see how they lay and how they blend and everything. So yeah, I'm also going to be watching Markiplier because, yeah. So I'm going to be doing that. Let's see. There we go. I'm going to be doing that, and then, yeah, I have two videos that I also did this morning and like 10 minutes ago, me washing my hair. So you should go watch those, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, let's get to it. Okay, so if you didn't see this in my last video, I have like, I'm breaking out all right here because of this BB cream. So go watch that video and you'll figure out like why my skin is so bad. And ooh, Markiplier is still on. Okay, bye. guys, so this is what I came up with. I've come up with, and I tried to use as many of the colors as I could and blend them out as much as I could. They blend very nicely, and I mean, it's a Morphe's palette. It's a really good palette. But when I used it before, and I had concealer as my base, the blues didn't show up that well. So I was like, it's probably just my base. The colors are probably fine. So, as always, this is what my NYX, can't see it, it's whatever. The NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, that's what I use all the time for any of my colors and just anything I want to be vibrant. And that's what I use, and it always works really well. As you can see, the blues came out really nice, so it works. So yeah, let's see, need to blend that. But anyways, so this has been really fun for me to play with the colors, and I really like shades. Yeah, it's pretty. This one's cool too. I might go a little bit lighter down here or put a blue down there. Or I could do blue and then blend this into green. I don't know. Got lots of ideas. So, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and I will be posting videos as much as I can. I don't really have set days, so yeah. Bye! Also, tell me whether or not you like just me messing around with the colors, and this is like my brainstorming time, but now I'm filming it. So tell me whether or not you like it or you don't like it or you want to see more, whatever. Anything like that. So, yeah. Bye!